It freaking lives. That's what I'm talking about. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, we hopefully will get this thing running. We're back at Matt's shop. Matt's finishing fabricating the downpipe. We have to put the cartridge back into the turbo, hook up the drain pipe, or the drain line from the turbo, hook up the feed, and then we have a lot of material to go almost all the way back out with the exhaust. I don't know if we'll have time to do the meth injection kit today, although I have been fitting some stuff. So here is the pump, which will be sitting down here. We have a tune for my buddy Matt Casady. He is pretty good with this stuff. I'm hoping, currently it's just a startup tune, maybe able to move it around a little bit. It's on 93 octane, not E85. He said once we get it running, you know, we can scale it for E85. But for today's purposes, we're trying to get it finished to the point where we can move it under its own power, check for any leaks, and see if it makes boost. Let's get into it. All right, Matt's over there cutting a piece. We have the downpipe in with the V-band tacked on. What's that? Yeah, that's all right. So the V-band is here. This is where the exhaust is obviously gonna split. It's gonna come back down this way. We got this massive U-Power, like 4-inch inlet, 4-inch outlet exhaust. It's kind of just sitting here now. It's really meant for diesels, but it kind of fits perfect. I'm hoping it'll help with the car not drone so bad. All right, this is the God's honest first try of starting it. Are you ready, Matt?
Ready.
I'm a little nervous. Sound good. Make sure everything is plugged in. Something that I didn't plug in myself, or something in the tune. Pretty sure I have everything plugged in. This is the only thing that was unplugged up front. super excited. It doesn't run super great. That's the very first iteration of the tune, but drive it around under its own power, barely. It idles really, it idle and revs pretty decent. It doesn't want to stay idling too much on its own, but this is on 93 octane, not the fuel we'll be running most of the time. We'll be on E85, and I still haven't had the time to do the meth injection kit, but that is next. Getting ready to drive it on the trailer myself, which is super nice. I don't have to winch it up. And then hopefully next video we'll get the meth injection installed, get the fueling scaled over to E85, and start to be able to take it on the road and really make some pulls and data log it. Super exciting. Well, thank you everybody for watching this video. Super psyched that it got running. There were really no leaks at all. I do have to take the downpipe back out and heat wrap it. I didn't finish that. Still have to do some minor things like the wideband and finish routing the exhaust all the way out the rear. But the main goal was to get it started, make sure there wasn't any leaks, which there weren't. Super happy about that. No fuel leaks, no oil leaks from the accumulator or the oil feed or the oil drain. A little bit of smoke, really just burning off all the oils on the turbo housing from us handling it. But besides that, it runs pretty good. You know, revving it sounds phenomenal. I'm pretty excited. So really the next thing is to kind of button those things up. I may not do some of that stuff in a video. It's hard for me to focus, especially when I'm at Matt's shop. That's why I try to just time lapse a lot of stuff. But the tune does need some tweaking, like I said previously, and once it gets running good, at least to the point where I can put some miles on it and I know it's actually doing all right, then we will take it to the dyno and get it dyno tuned, which I have a really awesome person, who I won't mention yet, but he's already agreed to dyno tune it, and I think you guys will be pretty surprised who it is. I'm really stoked that he is interested in dyno tuning it, so I'll just leave it at that. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I really hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.